Hi guys, I'm Dr. Vince Hassel from Hassel Family Chiropractic in Des Moines, Iowa. So let's talk about kids, ear infections, and chiropractic. So as parents, ear infections may make you feel helpless. Your child's suffering, but there seems to be little you can do. No wonder reoccurring ear infections, or otitis media, account for a huge number of pediatrician visits. The traditional approaches include antibiotic therapy. This may be effective for acute bacterial infections, but research shows that 94% of ear infections are caused by viral infections, which antibiotics are useless for. In fact, antibiotics given during a viral infection will only disrupt the body's normal flora more and cause a bigger imbalance within the body. Tubes in the ears, surgical implantation of artificial drainage tubes required the administration of risky anesthesia, and then tubes often come out. Plus, it's not addressing the cause. It's only allowing the fluid to leak out of the ear. It's not addressing the cause at all. Many parents are choosing a more conservative approach, and that's chiropractic care. A thorough examination to locate and adjustments to reduce the nerve disturbances that may make the ears prone to infection. Ear infections are not the result of a drug shortage, and they're not the result of deformed eustachian tubes. Our bodies have an incredible capacity to fight infection. When that ability is impaired, it means something else is going on. It surprises many to learn that some of the nerves that control and regulate and monitor the ear begin in the brainstem, continue down to the spinal cord, and exit out between the upper cervical spine, and then end up into the upper part of the respiratory tract. Understand that every cell, every organ, and every tissue in your body is controlled by your brain and nervous system. Changes to the function of the bones in the upper part of the neck, called subluxations, compromise the quality of nerve signals to and from the brain. Obviously, this can affect the ability of an organ or tissue, in this case your child's ear, to defend itself from infection. Nerve compromise is often accompanied by abnormal tension to the muscles around the spine. Besides protecting the spine from further compromise, these muscle spasms can exert pressure on nearby lymphatic drainage ducts. This presents natural drainage, further compounding the problem. Our approach is simple. Since chiropractic care is not a treatment for ear infections of infections of any type, when parents bring their child in to us to have them checked out, we look specifically for subluxations in the upper part of the cervical spine. If nerve pressure is detected, we gently reduce that subluxation with safe and natural chiropractic adjustments. The adjustments restore nervous system integrity. For a child or infant, this usually requires little more than a light touch with a fingertip at just the right place in the right direction to correct that subluxation. Parents love our approach. We explain everything in advance so they understand what's going on. Our adjusting approach is safe, and results are achieved naturally in a short amount of time. We would love to help your child as well. Check us out at www.hasselchiro.com. I'm Dr. Vince Hassel. I'll talk to you again soon.